Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nada, and probably when you see this video I'll be in Costa Rica living the Pure Vida life and stuff, but for this video I'm going to show you guys how to pack for a 10-day trip, because I'll be going to Costa Rica for 10 days and I'm only going to be packing in this backpack. I don't want to take a lot of things. Like, I just want to keep it light and easy to carry around, because we're going to be going like on a tour around Costa Rica, so it's like a full backpacking experience. So yeah, I'm excited. I can freaking hear the airplane. It's so annoying. I live near the airport, not too close, but yeah. Okay, so let's start with packing. So I have this bag here. I took it from my dad because it's the only like big backpack that we have. So here we go. That's the size of it, and I have everything laid down in front of me. So on my trip I'll be staying for 10 days, right? So I'm taking I'm taking those 3 shorts, just 3 shorts with the one I'm wearing, so 4 in total. And then I'm taking 2 dresses and a skirt. I'm taking leggings, just like in case it gets cold at night or like mosquito bites. And then I'm taking like 2 kind of like crop tops, a mini towel. I'm taking those water shoes so I could just wear them wherever. I'm taking 3 short sleeved shirts, and then a little coin bag. It's so cute. It's like a hippo. I'm taking my camera equipment. I got this lens just new, so like I could do cool stuff with it. But of course I'm gonna take out the boxes and actually like put it in a camera bag. Oh yeah, and in this bag I have my socks, underwear, stuff like that. And then I have my toiletries. So in here I have shampoo, conditioner, body wash, hair mask, and what else? And toothpaste in here. I'm taking a power bank. That's super important, guys. Like, don't forget to get one on your trips, because you'll always need to charge your phone. I have a little earphone case, which is amazing because it keeps it like not tangled. And then I have like a wire to charge my phone, stuff like that. A pen and my camera charger. So on this side I have this here. It's like lotions, a toner, face mask, scrub. I have a little foundation in like a little bottle with my beauty blender. I have a concealer and lip gloss. I think that's it for my makeup. Like, I'm gonna keep it super light, so it's only foundation, concealer, lip color, and eyebrows, and probably that's it for the trip. I have my hairbrush right here, and I got this cute ass, guys, it's so cute. I got this cute like neck pillow, and it has with it this what's it called, eye mask, like a sleeping mask, I mean. It has a sleeping mask with it. I have sunscreen. Oh guys, that's like very important. Always take sunscreen with you if you're going somewhere hot and tropical, because those usually tend to be more expensive in like Costa Rica. That's what I actually like know. And I have eye makeup remover. I have here I got deodorant too. Deodorant, eye makeup remover, like painkillers just in case anything happens, some tissues. I have this with me. So like I have a perfume, like a minty breath spray, another toothpaste, and hand sanitizer. Oh, hand sanitizer. I'll put all of those with me, like carry-ons, and the tissue paper like I told you guys. And then on this side I have my 2 glasses. I'm taking 2 glasses with me, and then a shirt I'm gonna sleep in because it's big and nice, comfortable, my wallet, gum, and shaver, and lip gloss. And also, I forgot to mention, but in this bag I also have swimsuits. I took like 4 swimsuits with me. It's a lot, but like it's worth it because I'll be taking a lot of pictures. So that's why, yeah, so it's all in here. And I try to like keep my things organized by putting them in like little like boxes, like not boxes, I mean like little I guess containers. Like you just contain everything in little things like that, so it's like it keeps it organized. But yeah, I have my phone here, put it on the side. This way. Second thing I'm gonna be doing is I have those little plastic like bags here. I have those little bags in here. I'll organize everything by putting them in like little bags. So this one is for my makeup, right? So I have my highlighter, a mini brush. I have another mini brush, and I got my like contour powder just in case I ever need to use it. So this will go in here. And then for my makeup remover, this will also go in this bag. What else? I think I'm gonna put this as well in here. And this should be it for this one bag. Just zip it up. And here we go. We got this all good to go. Put it on the side. And then what else? I have those little bags. I don't think I really need them though, but I'll just fit my shirts in there. So with my little 3 shirts, I'm also taking my shorts and I'll fold it, put it in the same bag until it's all full. It's all good to go. It better all fit in my backpack because I'm not taking anything else with me. No, like we're gonna be doing like moving around all the time, so I really don't want to be walking with a suitcase. I think I'll start with the shoes at the very bottom of the bag, so I'll just put those first thing. Hey guys, so I'm just showing you like a close-up. So far I have this bag right here with the shoes I told you about, like my wet shoes at the bottom, and I have this bag here that has all my swimwear, socks, everything like that. I have this bag right here. It has 3 shirts. As you can see, my shirts are in there. So I'm gonna put it on the side right here, and then that's it so far. I need to fit in this as well. It's basically just my shorts are in there and some of my short sleeved shirts. So that's how it looks like so far. I got a bigger towel, so now I'm just gonna roll it up. Now that I have the towel in here, I'll fit in my dresses.
That should be able to fit right there. I think so.
So I finished packing. Everything fit in this bag right here. I still have a bit of space like up here at the front, but I still didn't put in my camera lenses because I still need to take them out of the boxes. So that's probably gonna save a lot of space, and then I could fit in all my camera equipment at the very top of the bag, and then I'll get like a lock to just secure it off or something. I have my neck pillow that will be with me on the flight, and that's basically it. I'm done. Everything fits inside. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we did it in one bag. You can do it too. Hey guys, so I'm ready to go. Everything fits in my bag right here. We're good.